In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Trade. Whether you're using a computer or another device, logging out of Trade is a straightforward process. It's essential to ensure your account's security, especially when using a shared or public device. Let's start with how to log out if you are on your desktop. First, navigate to the Trade website and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a few options at the top right corner of your screen. This area contains shortcuts and profile settings. Now, take a look at the top right corner. Here you will either see your profile name or a user icon. It's generally represented by your initials or an avatar picture. Clicking on this area will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, find and click on the option that says Log Off or Log Out. Once you click Log Off, wait for a moment. You should see a confirmation screen appear. This screen indicates that your session has ended successfully. Now you're logged out of your Trade account. This confirmation is crucial because it reassures you that your account is secure. Now, here's a quick tip. Always log out of your account when using a shared or public device. This is important because it protects your personal and financial information from unauthorized access. Additionally, keep in mind that Trade may automatically log you out after a period of inactivity. This feature is designed to enhance security by preventing others from accessing your account if you accidentally leave it open. Logging out properly is a small step, but it ensures your account remains secure. It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your financial information. By following these simple steps, you have peace of mind knowing that your account is protected. As a final thought, remember that regular security practices like logging out and using strong passwords are vital. They help protect your account from potential threats. So, always make it a habit to log out, especially on devices that others might use. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any more questions about using Trade or maintaining your online security, feel free to explore more of our videos. Thank you for watching, and stay secure out there.